right, so this budget-friendly solar panel was super easy to install and just automatically connected to my Ring camera once I plugged it into the back. So I do want to thank the company for gifting it to me to check out. Now, first off, everything you need was included in the box with the solar panel. The bracket to mount or hang it with, the cables that you need, the screws, everything was included. The only thing that I needed that was not in the box was, of course, a screwdriver. Now, I do want to note this solar panel is not only for Ring cameras. It does have like a USB-C port on the end of the main cord coming from the solar panel, so it can be used to power other things, and it's also very lightweight. So if you don't want to mount it somewhere, that's fine. You can take it around and use it as like a portable solar panel. Maybe like if you're camping or something, you want to charge phones or things like that. But for me specifically, having to change my Ring camera battery can become such a pain because it hangs over my garage door and I'm very short. So I always have to get a step ladder, take it outside just to swap out a battery every 6 to 8 weeks. So I was really just interested in a solar panel that would keep that charge so that I don't have to keep going outside and swapping those batteries out. And the hardest part of this installation was nothing to do with the solar panel. It was actually getting those screws through my siding and through the wood behind it. I had to put some oomph and power behind it. So I would recommend probably starting your holes when you know where you want to mount this thing by drilling them a little bit. If I had to do this over again, I would definitely like pre-drill my holes rather than trying to just screw them with a hand screwdriver. All right, connecting the base piece, we have this piece. It does have a piece inside of it, and there are grooves. It fits into those grooves and goes up inside of it. But we're going to take this collar piece and slide this piece through it so it just kind of looks like this. And then we're going to screw the collar piece onto the bigger base piece. And so when hanging your solar panel, this is the base. You are going to want to put the screws in these screw holes and mount this where you want it to go. But when you're adjusting the solar panel, once the solar panel is mounted onto this, what you're going to do is this collar piece. When you twist to lock it, it locks this in place so you can't move it. And then you untwist it to kind of unlock and loosen it. And then you can rotate this to get the perfect angle. Now this will then connect back here into this screw hole of the solar panel. So after I've mounted the solar panel though, it just mounts to the back of my Ring camera with the cord connector that was included again in the box. You just plug it into the port on your Ring camera. Now that port may be covered up by a rubber stopper. I know mine was, and I had to remove the rubber stopper to even get to the port where the cord plugs in. But once I plugged it into the back of my Ring camera, it took about 2 to 3 minutes, and then my camera auto recognized that it was plugged into a solar panel and like auto connected. I'm gonna pop up a image here of like my Ring app. When I go to the battery settings, it says solar connected. I did not set those settings. I did not have to connect anything in my app. It just automatically recognized that that panel was connected and set it up and was ready to go. So it really is a plug and play. So if you're looking for a solar panel, I highly recommend adding this to your list of ones to try.